this is Itoya. Welcome back to my channel. Maybe some of you know that I was in Japan for like a couple of weeks, and of course I visited some stationaries. Yes, I did. I can honestly say that I spent half of my vacation in stationery shops. Maybe you know that Japan has lots of options to offer. So I was turning crazy. I was like a little kid trying everything and like trying to control myself to don't overbuy, and they were fortunate there. But I got some pretty amazing stuff that I'm super excited to try because I would like to do it in front of you to share my first expression with you directly. So let's get started. First, I'm gonna start with the papers. This is multiple Canson watercolor paper. It's 300 gram, acid-free, which I am super excited to use. It looks super cute and the size is just perfect for me. If you like the small size paintings, can be amazing for you also. Our next one is Stilmann and Lamp Mixed Media Series Sketchbook. This is Alpha Series, which is 150 gram mixed media paper with a hardcover. Next paper I have is a Lamp Light. This is a Japanese brand that I never tried before, and I'm super excited to try this one because as I touch the papers in the store, I just love it and I can't wait to try it. As you see, the paper have very few textures, so probably it's a hot press. 300 gram, 100% cotton, acid-free watercolor paper. Beside it, I really love the cover. That's another reason that I wanted to take this one because, you know, I'm super superficial. I told you before. My next paper is Watson watercolor. Yeah, I only took the watercolor papers more or less because, you know, I'm a watercolor lover. What can I do? This is also 300 gram, which I use mostly 300 grams because I use a lot of water, and 170s, 150s mostly just waving on the way to painting. So this is perfect. Okay, last one is a do-it-yourself postcard paper. I bought it from a like Dollar Tree kind of store that everything was like 100 yen inside. I have no idea what kind of paper it is, what I'm gonna do with it, but why not to give it a try, right? Next thing I got is something super interesting, which is ink. Yeah, you might be wondering that, Tuche, the ink is interesting for you? Oh, poor girl, you must have a very boring life. Not because of it. So we went to a shop just dedicated to inks, and you can do your own mixture and create your own color. Yeah, I know, it's tempting, right? So I decided to have one. But you know, I'm someone a bit close-minded when it's come to art supplies especially. And ink-wise, I only like very dark blue, almost black kind of ink. So that was a mixture I prepared for sure. I don't know if you can see the color, but it's a velvet blue inside and it's just like, wow, amazing. Well, I'm gonna use it to paint stuff more than writing actually, so it's good that it's actually like melting now with the water. Wow, and I love the effect. Okay, perfect. I'm very happy with this ink. You might be wondering that, okay, Tuche, you were in Japan, but didn't you get anything for your bullet journals? Of course I did. I got those super cute stamps that I was looking for a while. I got two different sets, one with all the letters and the other one with the days on it, months and the number. Super duper cute. Probably you will be seeing them a lot on my next bullet journals, so get used to them. Next thing I got is two pens from Kuratake. I never used a Kuratake pen before, but when I test them in the store, I literally fall in love. Even if your handwriting is ugly like I do, I think with this pen you can have a nicer handwriting. Okay, sorry, you can't. But the pens are just super smooth and it's kind of like brush pen, so I think I'm gonna have so much fun with them. Loving them. Okay, it's a bit strange that so far I'm liking everything I got. So it might make you think that Japan is being my sponsorship on this video. Of course not, I wish. Whole country being my sponsorship, yeah, could be very interesting actually. But besides that, when it's about stationery things, I'm like it, I like everything. I'm not super picky actually, so. Just after I say that I'm a sucker for stationery things, I'm here with something make me super duper excited and anxious also because I have no idea how it's gonna turn out and probably I'm not gonna like it, but here it is. You might be wondering why I'm like showing it to you because probably you don't understand what it says. But it's a Japanese brand watercolor. As you see, the colors look super cheap and not good at all. But you know, I wanted to try a Japanese brand and I didn't want to like put lots of money on it, so that was cheap. So we will see. Let's try. Well, when you got a new set of watercolor, the first thing you should do, try your colors on a paper to see their true color underneath. I know, so deep, right? Let's try them. You might be wondering why I'm trying the white, like we can see it, and you're super right about it. Oh, I like the red of it. Okay, what is this yellow? It's a bit too yellow, maybe? Why you have that much red? Are you Japanese? Yeah, maybe. To be honest, white is my favorite color here. You see how much it shines over there? When we say Japan, of course, another brand come to our mind is Muji. This shop is amazing and they have like great pens. I didn't turn crazy, I just got 3 pens from there. It's super easy to write with it. It's super smooth, but beside it, it's not like wow. Second pen we have is a needlepoint pen, which I use a lot and love it. And what is special about this one, it's erasable. Yeah, you heard me right, it's an erasable pen. This is magic or what? Yeah, I know, I'm 6 years old during this video, sorry. Okay, and the last pen I have is a mechanical pencil. Nothing special about it. Oh, okay, wait. Wow, the sensation of it is like you're using a pen actually inside a pencil. Oh my gosh, this is so good. Okay guys, if you have Muji around or if you know someone who has Muji around, you should definitely order this one. So of course, another thing I got from Muji is washi tapes. Even though they don't look super unique, I quite like those. And okay, they are not like transparent, the colors is good, yeah. And even though I didn't turn crazy with the washi tapes in Japan because I found them a bit pricey there, I got these 2 other washi tapes which is not related with the Japanese culture or anything. But I just like them so much, they are vintage vibes. Yeah, loving them. So far, so much love going on in this video. Next one is an amazing pen. It's from Uni Mitsubishi Pencil. Look at it! Isn't it like the cutest thing on the earth? Whee, so nice. It's a brush pen with 2 sides. So let's try it on. Okay, this is the thin one. Let's try the thick one. Okay, the thicker brush is writing thinner than the thinner brush. Does it make sense? No, it doesn't. If you're not thicker than the other one, why you even exist? Anyway, still just so good. Look at it. Next pen I have, I saw it on one of my YouTuber stationer haul from Japan and I was like literally looking for to have the same one. They call Juice Paint. Wow, look at it. Yeah, loving it. Guys, these are amazing. Loving you. The next one is a Uniball Signal pen, which I already use a lot, the white and the gold color. But here I couldn't find so many color options, but over there were like 20-30 different colors, which I didn't turn crazy. I only got one more extra, which is a dark blue, kinda shiny, shimmering, kinda, I don't know. You got me? Okay. See, it has very nice effect. Gonna bring nice little touch on my paintings probably. I'm keep going with the pens. And the next one is Sakura brand. I got 1 pink and 1 blue. I don't know why I got pink because I actually don't like pink, but you know, all my pens are either black or blue or very dark blue, so it can be good to have like different colors in between maybe. Yep, and the next one is an charcoal pencil. Recently I started to do charcoal portraits again, which you're gonna see very soon when I publish my sketchbook tour probably. And the last pen I got, pen from Pentel. Point is very interesting as you see. And you can have thinner or thicker lines up to the pressure you put on. I feel like I have so much pen, but never enough, you know. Next one is an interesting piece actually. You might be wondering what I am trying to show you. It's a gold pigments. I thought that I can mix it with any color I want and have this like shimmering effect on it. I will see when I try. Why we don't try now? Let's try. Okay, I'm putting this yellow color and adding some gold pigment in it. Oh yeah, it works. See, when it gets dry, you can actually see them shine bright like a diamond. Yep. Of course, I should check that how to use it first. But as usual, I skip this step. Who needs information? I like how ignorant I am and trying to stay this way, okay? So, it's time to share with you one of my favorite pieces. Those are brush pens that I would like to have for quite a long time because they make your life easier. Yeah, I might exaggerate the situation a bit because I'm super excited about them. The thing that you are filling inside with the water, and while you are painting you don't have to dip your brush in water every seconds. You just press it a bit and there's water. Isn't it amazing? It's super that you can have very thick or very thin line with this brush. Loving, loving, loving it. Yeah guys, we came to my last but not the least piece. As a watercolor lover, of course, I wouldn't come back from there with a proper watercolor. So here is my L'aquarelle Sennelier.
Sorry French guys.
Watercolor set. Look how cute it looks. Okay, it doesn't look so cute actually. It's a black metal box. Let's open it. Okay, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12 colors. Yeah, I know, I'm a math genius. And now, like all the products, take it super seriously and try on these colors on a watercolor paper. Of course, I start with the white first, and it's bright up as usual. Okay, wow, okay, I thought this is red. No, it's orange. There is a third blue. No, it's green. Brown, too light. This one is so good. Oh, wait, where is the black? I thought one of those is supposed to be black. Okay, don't have black. Ooh, white, you're shining again. Amazing effect. Oh my dear new friend. So it's perfect size actually to carry around. Okay, it's not perfect size, but at least it's smaller than my Winsor & Newton, slightly. So far, I love the color scale. They look pretty nice on paper actually. But if you decided to get this one, don't forget to add the white and the black inside. Yeah, I thought the white, but I couldn't get the black one, you know. Not that intelligent yet, getting there. Here I come to end of my Japan stationery haul video. I hope you guys like the video and find it useful. This kind of videos mostly seems a bit superficial to me, but I try to make it a bit more useful to give you some ideas about what you can actually like buy over there and what kind of stuffs I got and what I think about them. If you like the video, don't forget the thumbs up, comment below and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, here it is. I'll see you guys very, very soon on the next video. Ciao!